up in Houston City, guys. Good morning. Yes, look at that. 4:30 in the morning. We're about and about already. Look at that. Good morning, good morning. This is Fil-AmQueen. I feel like it's gonna bang me.
Get out of the way.
Look at that. Houston.
Look at the moving lights on top of that one. It's kind of
Yeah.
Ferris wheel is.
I worked one of that building there before. Look at that. Millionaire. All right. That's why I don't like it too. Oh, look at that. Houston, we have a problem. Mayday, mayday.
I hope not.
Guys, it's really dark in this road. We continue driving. Look at how dark. We are far from the city now. This is like,
Heading for the coast.
yeah. But I did not see any deer yet, like crossing the road. We are in like countryside of Houston, actually going to the ocean. Today, guys, we're going fishing. Yahoo! But this road, it's really dark and spooky. Ooh. We follow only a couple of cars. I think I see this kind of like road like in the movie, you know, in the horror movie or the suspense movie.
Wonderful.
Oh my god, honey. I'm making a movie, hon, you know, like the thrill of spookiness.
It's okay.
Wonderful.
I'll slow down and make a right turn.
You don't like my movie, hon? It's spooky.
Okay.
Here's my driver. He doesn't like the spookiness.
No, I don't like the smoothness.
We're turning. Okay. So much for that. See you later, alligator. We are in the GT now in Matagorda and we're fishing. Casting. There you go. Good catch. fun and the family and my hubby there and our camp, our truck and our tent, and here's we will be we got the crab, but it went inside. Oh my God! I'm lucky die! I'm lucky die! Oh my God! May pang-vlog na talaga ako. Pero ikaw pala ang nakakuha.
Ay, okay lang. Basta mayroon laman.
Mayroon laman. Ay! Hindi ka ng alayas doon.
Kagatin. Ayan. Hindi, si Chill.
Got the crabs! Yes! Hindi yan kakagat. Ganito. Mabuti kung hindi tagapanginas. Lagyan mo dito.
Ay, hindi ko yan alam.
Ganyan yan dahil pa hindi na siya bubuka. Kasi malamig. Ay, nabali man. Ito. Malambot siya eh. Para siyang luno.
Ganyan pala yan.
See? Hindi na makabuka. Okay ka, ha? So I lock the jaw. So it's not gonna bite anymore. Oh, nandito pala yung isang ano. Yeah. Akala ko nahulog doon. Sulit yung ano ko, Day, vlog ko today.
Yeah, marami tas maglinis pa tayo, Day.
Oo